Oh, uncle, I forgot to put one part. It's the continuation. I'm just putting that.
Okay, no problem. Okay, हो गया?
Yes, I got. वो थोड़ा टाइम लगा because I had to snip it, then save it, and then because then pictures rotate हो जाता है ना, so I have to rotate it.
वो कैसे रोटेट करा? अच्छा,
So
सेव करके.
when you
अच्छा.
say, yeah,
अच्छा. ओके.
I'm just pasting it.
ओके.
If you see it, uncle, the नया picture.
नो, आया नहीं अभी तक. आ गया.
आ गया. So what the part, the first part. So it will be the distance formula, which is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square.
राइट. दैट इज स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड, राइट?
Yes.
नथिंग. ठीक है, आई थिंक लीव दिस पार्ट. देयर इज नथिंग टू डू इन दिस. लीव इट. आई थिंक यू नो इट.
But you need it for the next part, no? You need the.
फाइंड
Oh,
द
you
इक्वेशन
don't.
ऑफ
You don't.
परपेंडिकुलर. अच्छा, हाँ, ओ बेटा. डू
Hmm.
यू नीड इट? ओके, लेट्स सी. ये बढ़िया है ना कि मैं देख सकता हूँ कि क्या लिख रहे हो.
Hmm.
स्कूल में जो आप लिख लो कुछ भी पता ही नहीं चलेगा, कॉपी में लिखा गया।
Yeah.
आई कैन सी लाइव।
Eight. Hmm. Perpendicular.
ठीक है,
Hmm.
ड्रॉ डायग्राम फर्स्ट। Mark the point on the coordinate axis so that you get a
Hmm.
good visual picture of.
No. Is three.
ठीक है, 3 1। मेक सेंस।
Hmm.
That's your line segment. You have to find a
Yes.
perpendicular bisector to this. That will look like something like this, right? Passing through the
Hmm.
midpoint and also
Hmm.
intersecting it at right angles. You have to
Yeah.
find the equation of this line. And the format which
Yes.
is allowed to you is this,
Hmm.
which means you need to know the gradient of this line.
Yeah. Gradient of the line slope, which, yeah.
Okay?
Oh, okay. So, hmm.
You know the gradient rules. Perpendicular
Yes.
lines,
Hmm.
if I know M1, if I know M2, the
And two,
product has to be
same. Minus one for
parallel
perpendicular, for
lines का
parallel.
equal होता है.
Same. Yeah. Right.
Rule number one, perpendicular lines, this is a rule. Now you know
Okay.
M1 because you know the 2 points here. You can find the
Hmm.
gradient of M1, which is M1 will be equal to how much? You found the
By 2
length,
minus 5 1
right?
upon
Do
x2
it.
minus x.
You do it. You do it.
Okay. By 2, which is 5. Right.
मुझे
2. Uncle, you're on mute.
okay. Now you have to find the gradient of perpendicular bisector
Hmm.
using
Yes.
this. You know M1, you have to find
Hmm.
M2.
Yeah.
ये क्या लिख दिया? ये 1/2 आया, फिर ये -2 कैसे हो गया? अच्छा, you have already
Oh.
found the gradient, but
Hmm.
they are not equal, ना? Why have you put equal sign here?
Oh, yeah. Well, equal नहीं होना
Equal कैसे हो सकता? How is half equal to boss?
चाहिए.
You
Yes.
mean this, right? If it is half, तो इसको मैं नीचे लिखूंगा half, so this will become -2. So this is the gradient of perpendicular bisector.
Hmm.
Steps लिखना बहुत जरूरी होता है. You have to write every step.
Yes.
You are explaining your understanding to a examiner by
Hmm.
writing the steps. Okay, निकल गया फिर अब. So you know the gradient. So you need a gradient to find the equation of a line, right? So you know the gradient of the perpendicular bisector. What you
Hmm.
don't know
Yes.
is अब C कैसे निकाले, right? लेकिन फॉर्म तो यही चाहिए.
Hmm.
To find equation of a line, what is the information you need? What are the
The
various
gradient
gradient
and the midpoint.
and a point on the line, not midpoint.
Hmm.
इस केस में midpoint है.
Okay.
वैसे किसी भी लाइन की इक्वेशन निकालनी हो तो उसके ऊपर एक पॉइंट बताओ और उसका ग्रेडियंट मालूम. Then
Hmm.
the equation of the line is, now do use this. So do you know a point on this perpendicular bisector? Because it's a bisector,
Hmm.
the midpoint of AB also lies on the
Yes.
perpendicular bisector.
Yeah.
Find the midpoint of AB.
Okay. So that's what plus X.
Do you know this form?
Yes.
Okay, very handy. One point on the
Hmm.
line and the gradient are equal.
Until now, after the midpoint.
So you know the point point on the line
Yes.
AB.
Yes.
The same point also lies on the perpendicular bisector.
Hmm.
अगर दो लाइन एक जगह पे इंटरसेक्ट करती हैं, so point of
Yeah.
intersection तो दोनों पे लाई करता है ना.
Hmm.
It lies on AB, and the same point also lies on the perpendicular bisector, which is this. So इसका मतलब
Yes.
perpendicular bisector के ऊपर जो point है वो यही है.
Hmm.
So you know a point on the perpendicular bisector.
Hmm.
Okay. What is your question now?
No. Perpendicular bisector.
So you know
Equation of it.
the perpendicular bisector's gradient. You know the point on the perpendicular bisector.
Hmm. Yes.
What? Did you copy something? Okay. Okay. ठीक है, सही जा रहे हो. Y-3 upon X-4. ठीक है, आ गया.
यस. अब उसके बाद क्या होगा?
तो लिखा तो नहीं है, इक्वल टू ग्रेडियंट बता तो दिया.
सो इट इक्वल्स टू m equals to -2.
राइट.
Now you just cross multiply.
यस यस.
So
एंड गेट इट इक्वल
minus
टू y
2
इक्वल टू सम.
y plus 6 equals and minus 2x plus 14. So we got y plus 2x 8.
class में did you check quadrilateral का properties? You said, no, I will go and ask the teacher.
Yes, I asked the teacher. She said, yes, the question you're saying it has very less information, but you have to make the assumption. So she said that uh, this time this question is wrong, but yeah, this question is wrong. So you have to assume it's a parallelogram because
ठीक है?
they haven't given us sufficient information.
Hmm.
So now minus 2y plus 2x plus 8.
ठीक है. हाँ, so ठीक है. Solve करते जाओ.
So 2 cut. So it'll be
This is,
one.
there is equal to sign here. दिख नहीं रहा.
I
I
think
think
it
there was
got
an equal to
erased.
sign here, right?
Yes, yes.
ठीक है.
Hmm.
ये -2 को मैं नीचे ले आया सबके. Any doubts?
No.
ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पेस्ट करो.
Hmm.
ओके.
Hmm.
करो जी, ट्राई करो. इट इज नॉट टू स्केल. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. ना पढ़ते हैं पहले. A is a point and C
Hmm.
is a point. Okay, ठीक है. Find the equation of the line AC. Should not be a problem. ठीक है, करो जी. Let's see. I will see whether you write all the steps and statements.
So you need the midpoint and slope.
There is a midpoint. कहाँ पूछा?
So you need the
कोई बाइसेक्टर तो है ही नहीं.
this. Oh yeah. Hmm. So you need the slope. Okay.
You need a slope and a point on the line, and that's it.
Okay. Hmm.
You have sent me this chapter. हाँ, gradient वाला तो भेजा था, gradient midpoint वाला.
या
Coordinate geometry नहीं भेजा ना? कौन सा भेजा? नहीं,
नहीं नहीं
coordinate
वो भी
geometry भेजा है. हाँ, भेजा है.
या
Okay. Yes.
तो
और ये
एंड
इस
आफ्टर दिस क्लास
और कोई और भी कोई चैप्टर है क्या, मतलब कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री का, स्ट्रेट लाइंस का? ये सेंड मी 2 चैप्टर्स.
नहीं
अच्छा,
इट
दिस इज
वाज
इट.
2 chapters या दिस इज दैट एक और चैप्टर था बट दैट वाज मोस्ट सेम ही थिंग था मोस्टली
अच्छा, वो क्या नाम है उसका?
उसका ना स्ट्रेट लाइन नाम है चैप्टर 16 बट
उसमें से
आई
है ये
चेक
कॉन्सेप्ट.
आई चेक थ्रू इट सेम ही थिंग है ऑलमोस्ट
ओके. ये क्वेश्चन उस चैप्टर से लग रहे हैं.
wait so I need a
ठीक है. सो
point
यू हैव नॉट
and
रिटन द,
eight comma
what are you doing? So if I'm an examiner, I don't know what you're doing.
oh
Of AC.
slope of AC
No, and you're not telling me what concept have you used.
uh,
I would like to
okay
see this also.
okay
Justification.
okay
Okay. Then you calculate. You're just showing me calculations. You're not
Hmm.
telling me anything else. Neither you're telling me AC ki hai, nor you're telling me what formula have you used. You have to tell me the formula, and
Hmm.
you also need to tell me the statement. Instead of that, you're only doing calculations of some numbers. तो मैं कैसे समझूंगा क्या करा? Correct?
Okay.
So you have to do all this. 10 minus 2, 8 minus, ठीक है. तो आगे आगे चलो. You know the gradient of the line. Gradient
Hmm.
of AC is known now. Okay. First step.
Hmm.
Do you know a point on AC?
Yeah, -8, 2.
और 8 comma 10 दोनों ही है.
Yes,
You can use any one of them. ठीक है. So you know a point on the AC. So which one you want to use?
-8,
ठीक है, लिख दो.
2. Yes.
Okay, write it. I will tell you how I would write instead. Okay, मैं कैसे लिखूँ? Okay, point on AC. X1 Y1.
Okay.
और इधर मैं लिखूंगा. ठीक है जी. और चलो अब, what is the rule
So
you are going
now
to use? Equation of a line का क्या
y
rule होता है?
minus y1
Right.
by
First
x
write the rule.
minus x.
Write the rule
Okay.
so that I know you understand it. You're telling me the rule now. Yes. Good. ये तो rule नहीं है भाई. You forgot. What ये rule है?
Yeah, so if you know the point and then you know the
This is the rule.
gradient, so
You have to write it equal to m. अभी तो हमने ऊपर करा है.
oh, okay, equal to.
That is why I'm telling you, वो जो chapter है ना straight line का,
Hmm.
please send me its PDF also. Apart from
Okay.
algebra, I just want to go through it. मुझे लगता है you don't have
Yeah.
clarity. How is that you say it is similar and you just write this, and on the right hand side you forgot to write this. अभी हमने ऊपर use करा है इसको.
Hmm. Yes.
What is this?
X
ये.
m equals to y minus 2 by
हाँ.
x minus minus 8.
हाँ.
X equals to m in the
M you
gradient
just
e
found out.
of 1. Yeah, so it is y minus 8 by x. Sorry, y minus 2.
There is no need of writing equal to here.
Okay. And x plus 8 equals to 1 by. 2. Now cross multiplication. So 2y minus 4 equals to x plus a.
ठीक है?
Hmm. So now it's 2. Yep. So it'll be 2y
Hmm.
minus x
Hmm.
equals to 8 plus 4.
Right.
2y minus x equals to 12. So y minus x equals to 12 by 2.
Okay.
So y equals to 1 by 2x plus so hmm,
Yes. सही है. How is y is equal to 12 by 2 man? समझ नहीं आया.
so I wrote y color. So it
हाँ.
should be the c. So c equals to 12 by 2 no, because it's the y. So if you
You have
write it
written y is
y,
equal to 12 by 2.
oh,
What is this? ये
this
plus
is
x कहाँ
the
गया?
y. Oh, sorry, that's collected. Yeah. Yes.
2 था ना, ये दोनों के नीचे लेके आना है ना.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
ठीक है. So did do this question now.
Hmm. Okay.
क्या लिखा है? चेंजेस.
So rise over run, which is changes in y over changes in
Okay.
x.
So you will use the grid, right? Count the grid.
Hmm. But,
Okay.
okay. Cool. So changes.
-3 + 16. मतलब ये कहाँ से आया? अच्छा, you
So
have done
I
this.
took two. Hmm.
Okay. ठीक है.
Okay, and
And then you
changes
calculate.
in.
16 कहाँ से आया?
So I took changes in x. So sorry, will be, yeah, because I took this point. No, I took this point, point one, and I took this point as my point two.
Where have you written the statements that you took this? If I am checking your paper, I will never come to know क्या करा.
So okay, I'll write. Okay.
So you saying you mark this.
Hmm.
So you will write identifying 2 points on the graph. And then you will write what? इधर क्या लिखा है? इसके
Hmm.
कोऑर्डिनेट लिखे हैं या सिर्फ काउंटिंग करिए ग्रिड्स की?
Coordinates -3, 0.
Hmm, I don't see you writing that -3, 0 कहाँ लिखा है? On the left you're writing rise and run. So either
Hmm.
you will write rise and run or you will write the coordinates.
Hmm.
How much is this? How much is your rise from this now?
How much is my rise? From it goes from 0 to 16 is the rise.
16 is the rise. No. किधर मार्क करना उसको? 16 को. This is your second point, right? So if you are at the
Hmm.
bottom and you go this much, you're going 10.
Oh, oh
लिखा
yeah,
तो 10 ही
okay.
है. I mean,
Yeah.
I see this as a
Hmm.
10.
Yeah.
The height is
You got,
10.
oh
Why do you
yeah,
say that?
yes.
What you were
So,
doing was something else.
hmm.
Changes in y. Okay, so the change in y is
10.
10 minus 0.
Hmm. 10
Starts from
minus.
the final is 10. Final
Hmm.
is 10, initial is 0. So 10 grids, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever reason, this is 10.
Yes. Hmm.
हाँ, तो ठीक है, rise पता चल गया. अब
Now run, which is x. So it goes from -3 to +16. So,
so you are starting from here,
hmm.
and then you are saying your run is still what place? Mark it on the x-axis.
It goes till
Run is on the
here.
x, na? You have written it as. So
Yes.
you are marking this point
Hmm.
divided by which
Divided
point?
by
What is this point over here?
-3,
Okay, so that is your initial point. Okay, and what is the final?
16.
Count it. 16 है. एक बार count करके देख ले.
Yes. Because 2 का difference है ना, so 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
हाँ ठीक है. मान लेते हैं कि ये 16 है. ठीक है. तो total change कितना हो गया? If you were at -3,
19.
19. That is correct. So 16 minus -3. Final minus initial. -3 तो initial है और 16 final है. This is 10 upon 19. Answer.
Yes. M equals to 10 upon 9.
Yes. All right. Next question. So okay. Next question is this. I'm going to the next page. I think ये page ना.
Okay, shall I put it?
No, no. I will do it. Don't worry. Just okay.
Right. So rise over and run. So it goes
So which 2
down.
points are you
Rise.
marking?
I've taken -1, 3 and I've taken 0, 1.
Please mark them and write them. Identify them
Okay.
clearly. So you're saying you
So
are
I'll
finding 2 points on the graph.
hmm,
Okay. So mark them and write them. Name them. I'm calling this A and the coordinates are these. I'm calling this B and the coordinates are these. I think
so
you've already
A.
marked. One you marked is here,
Hmm.
right? So let's call this as A. Let's
Yes.
call this as B. So write the coordinates of A. You're writing it as -1. I don't think so. It is 3. Is it 3? It is 3.
I
Yeah,
think
ये 3 है.
yeah.
Height 3 है. ठीक है. And then this point is 0, 1. So you have 2 points on a line. So we
Hmm.
know. So we know 2 points coordinates or 2 points on this coordinates of 2 points. We know coordinates of 2 points on this line. Same. Now it is same. Now find
Hmm.
the equation of the line.
So now it'll be changes in y over changes in x. So it's going down. So it'll be
I think now you're saying m is equal to y2 minus
y
y1 because
y1.
you know the
Yeah, 2
points.
points x2.
So use
Yes.
this, not rise and run. बात तो वही है but ये better
Oh.
रहेगा.
Okay.
And you know a point also on the line. In fact, you know 2 points.
Hmm.
So it is again
Hmm.
back to the same, right? कि find this
Yes.
form. Same ही है, लेकिन थोड़ा छुपा हुआ है,
Hmm.
थोड़ा graphical है, right?
Yes.
थोड़ा ग्राफ से इंफॉर्मेशन लेनी पड़ रही है.
Yeah.
वहां तो लिखी
Hmm.
होती है ना 2 पॉइंट ये हैं. यहाँ पे ग्राफ को यूज करके लेना पड़ रहा है उसको. ठीक है.
Hmm.
So you found this correctly. Second step, you
Hmm.
will find the gradient,
Yes.
which
So
is this. Okay,
hmm,
now put the values.
by so it's gonna be 1 minus 3 minus 3. So m equals to
Hmm.
1 minus 3 by 0 minus 1.
ठीक है. So now you know the slope also.
Yes.
Great. Now please use your knowledge of straight lines and find the equation of the line.
Uncle, can I use the washroom jaldi se and come?
Why not?
Okay.
I'm not your uncle here, I'm your sir.
Okay, so yes. Hello.
Any doubts?
No, I've got it. So it'll be y minus y1 equals to
You know the
x1.
points on the line and
Hmm.
you know the gradient. Find the equation.
Hmm. So y minus y1, which is y minus.
I will send you a homework sheet. Please do it.
Okay, uncle.
Okay? I think you lack practice, self practice.
Hmm.
Please send me that PDF also.
Okay, uncle. Okay. Okay. So y minus plus. Uncle, now I'll send you the straight lines and algebra PDF by
Yes.
tomorrow.
Ah, let me go through it.
Oh,
Because I think
hmm,
the kind of questions which are available in that straight line slightly different. तो तुम्हारी जो स्पीड है उसके ऊपर थोड़ी कम है.
hmm.
हाँ ठीक है, आ गया. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Once you do your worksheet which I send you, I will take your test also.
Oh, uncle, is it okay? Sir, is it okay?
So you found M1.
Hmm,
Mm, no,
hmm.
not correct.
Well,
The equation should
what?
be y is equal to mx plus c. This is 2y equal to. So you should have changed it to y is equal to 3x plus 3 by 2.
Okay. So,
And
okay.
you have just blindly used this.
Hmm.
Whereas you should have done 6y is equal to 1
Equal to,
minus 4x. And y is equal to 1 by 6 minus 4 by 6x is equal to 1 by 6 minus 2 by 3x. So this is your gradient minus 2 by 3. तो एक का आ रहा है 3 by 2
hmm.
और एक का आ रहा है
And it
minus 2 by 3.
minus 2 by 3.
Actually, they are perpendicular lines. They're not parallel. If they were parallel,
Hmm.
you would get equal gradients. But you forgot
Gradients,
to
yes.
convert the line in this format. You kept 2 as 2, you kept as 4 as 4. Sorry, 6 as 6. Whereas you should have done this. Y is equal to में लेके आना, यहाँ कुछ नहीं लिखा होना चाहिए. If you have a line which
Hmm.
is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0,
Hmm.
let me just give you a general question. क्योंकि वहां 6 लिखा हुआ था, a भी हो सकता है.
Hmm. Hmm.
Tell me what is the slope of this line?
So y equals to ax by b
Go slow.
plus c
Right.
by
Don't say,
b.
write it down.
So
First,
so
get all the things on the other side, which you should. You
hmm,
need y only on the left hand side, right?
hmm.
So first
So
step is to keep it here as is and take
hmm,
other stuff on the right hand side.
yes,
हाँ,
minus
minus
c.
c. हाँ, ठीक है, हो गया.
So
First step.
y is equal to minus ax by b minus c
By
by b.
b. And what is the
b.
slope now? Whatever is written with the x.
Hmm.
It's
Yes,
called coefficient of x. जो x के साथ क्या
co-
लिखा हुआ है?
coefficient.
माइनस a by b लिखा हुआ है ना.
Hmm.
और रूल क्या होता है? y is equal to mx plus c. So if
Yeah.
I compare,
Hmm.
what is m equal to?
M is equal to a minus a by b.
Any doubts?
No.
The intercept is this.
Hmm. Yes.
समझ आया कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं?
हाँ जी.
ऐसे ही नहीं बस वो उठा के लिख दिया भाई
हम्म.
6 और वो पहले y इक्वल टू में कन्वर्ट करना है फिर यूज करना
हम्म.
है. गॉट इट?
Yes.
ठीक है. प्लीज सेंड मी द पीडीएफ ऑफ algebra and this. I
हम्म.
will send you a worksheet which you need to complete tomorrow.
Okay.
It will have different variety. Same questions you have done,
Hmm.
but for practice.
So now we'll meet at Tuesday or Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yeah, Wednesday.
So you have
Okay.
ample time to complete my assignment also.
Hmm.
Whenever you are done with it, come back with doubts. I will also study your PDFs.
Okay. I'll send the PDF